Hello again and welcome. Today we're going to be trying to repair this old signaling light that I have from my youth. This was made by Lionel. These peripherals, like this lamp, use AC voltage, and it has this little motor that rotates, and the way that this motor works is kind of unique. It's essentially just a coil. This is basically an electromagnet, and it draws the rotor into the magnet, but it doesn't make it turn. Instead, it's kind of a vibrator. So it has these washers with these little rubber tips on them. I'll see if I can get a better shot of this. So you can see it has these little rubber tips on here, and they're slanted. So as that plunger is pushing up and down on these little rubber tips, those essentially rub on the back side of that rotor and then kind of scooch it along. So I'm going to go ahead and install this. Just remove the rotor again, and this should just fit right over the top like so. And we install the rotor like so, and we can put our little Banjo swinger back on place like so. And that's really all there is to it. So hopefully that repairs our light. Now, I'd said I don't have a transformer for one of these, so what I'm going to do is just take our auto transformer. I have a step-down transformer attached to this. This will normally put out 14 volts. We'll just be using our multimeter here to monitor the voltage. And we can clip our two wires to the light like so. This would have normally had a switch that went underneath the train tracks, so as the train goes over, it activates the switch, and then that starts the signaling light. Alright, let's see if this will turn on. There's 6 volts right there. I'm not seeing anything come out of it. Huh. Well, that did not work very well. I've gone through and I've cleaned up the rotor. I've also flushed out our electromagnet, and I've gone ahead and I've put some light lubrication on there. You can see this spins much easier now. Alright, let's see if it'll work now. Oh, there it is, it's rotating. Alright, so after a lot more cleaning, it would start to turn, but it still wouldn't run. So as I continued to play with it, I realized that when the rotor was sitting inside of the motor, this would actually cock side to side, and I could move this pin here a little bit. So this was actually loose. So I just took a couple of standoffs here, one with a very small hole, and I peened that over a little bit to tighten up that pin. So let's see if it'll rotate now at a lower voltage. Oh yeah, there you go. So that's about 7.2 volts right there. Alright, let's see if we can move the signaling light now. Very nice. There you have it, the Lionel number 140 signaling light. Part number 140-50. Made in New York.